Hi friends, myself Dr. Jairamia JR, Assistant Professor Physics, Government First Grade College, Tiptur, Tumkur District. The title of the paper is Quantum Mechanics for BSc Physics 5th semester. The title of this today's session is Heisenberg Uncertainty Principle in Different Forms. Welcome to the session. Today's objectives are to formulate a law in quantum mechanics that limits how accurately to measure two related physical variables, specifically that the more accurately to measure momentum or velocity of a particle. Today's session outcomes are canonical conjugate physical variables, delta x delta p is greater than or equal to h divided by 2 pi, delta e delta t greater than or equal to h by 2 pi, and delta j delta phi greater than or is equal to h by 2 pi, where delta x error in position uncertainty, delta p is error in momentum, delta E is uncertainty in energy, delta T is uncertainty in time, delta J is an angular moment uncertainty in angular momentum, delta phi is uncertainty in angular displacement. So these delta X delta P are canonical conjugate physical variables. So here delta E delta T is also canonical conjugate physical variables. Delta J delta phi is also canonical conjugate variables. Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So today we are going to discussion about the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Heisenberg is a German theoretical physicist. He obtained his PhD degree in the year 1923 under the guidance of Sommerfeld. Werner Heisenberg formulated uncertainty principle and reported or published in the year 1927 and obtained his Nobel Prize in the year 1932 for the uncertainty principle. What is Heisenberg uncertainty principle? In classical mechanics, accurately measure the position and momentum of a particle simultaneously measure the position and momentum of a particle. So this is the classical approach. Whereas in case of the particle in subatomic particle like electron, proton, neutron, etc., it is impossible to simultaneous measurement of position and momentum accurately like that. So delta x and delta p are canonical conjugate variables. Similarly, the uncertainty in energy and uncertainty in time is also greater than or equal to h divided by 2 pi, where h is a Planck constant. So this is a Heisenberg uncertainty principle. The position and momentum of a particle. For a particle in subatomic particle or in the atomic range, the position and momentum of a particle cannot be measured precisely at the same time. So this is the statement of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. If measured, delta x will be error in position. So delta x is called uncertainty in position, and delta p will be error in momentum. That means delta p is an amount of uncertainty in momentum. The uncertainty relation is delta x delta p are greater than or equal to h by 2 pi. Similarly, delta e delta t greater than or equal to h divided by 2 pi, and delta j delta phi are greater than or equal to h divided by 2 pi. Here delta x and delta p are Yeah, uncertainty in position and delta p is an uncertainty in momentum. So here delta x and delta p are canonical conjugate physical variables. Similarly, delta E and delta T, energy and time. Delta E is uncertainty in energy, delta T is an uncertainty in time, is canonical conjugate physical variables. Similarly, delta J and delta phi are, delta J is nothing but uncertainty in angular momentum, and delta phi is the angular displacement. So these two are canonical conjugate physical variable. So these are different forms of Heisenberg uncertainty relations. We are going to discuss about some multiple choice question about this session. If uncertainty principle is applied to an object of mass is 1 milligram, the uncertainty value of velocity and position will be. So the mass is given, the mass is 1 milligram is converted into 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. The uncertainty value of velocity and position will be, we take the relation delta x into delta p is greater than or equal to x divided by 2 pi. So delta p can be taken as mass into error in velocity. So it is nothing but m into delta v. So in this regard, we are going to take delta v into delta. Now the uncertainty value of velocity and position. Here delta x and delta v is equal to, delta x and delta v is greater than or equal to h divided by m into 4 pi. So substitute and simplify, we get the value. The values, the given options are like this. So in this relation we calculate, substitute the values in a relation and we get the values 0.52 into 10 to the power of minus 28 meters square per second. So this is the answer. Option C is the right answer for the questions. Next question. What will be the uncertainty in velocity of a bullet with a mass is 10 gram whose position known with plus or minus 0.1 millimeter? Now we take this relation, delta x into delta p is greater than or equal to h divided by 2 pi. The values are given, a mass is given, and whose position delta x is also given. Substitute and simplify, we get the values are like this. So the correct or the right answer for this question is option D is the right answer. Next question. Uncertainty principle of canonical conjugate variable is, uncertainty principle of canonical conjugate variables is delta x delta p less than or is equal to h divided by 4 pi, delta x delta p less than or is equal to 4 pi by h, delta x delta p greater than or is equal to h by 4 pi, delta x delta p greater. So among these four relations, option C is the correct option for the question 3. Delta x delta p greater than or equal to h divided by 4 pi. Next question is, which is not a uncertainty relation? Which is not a uncertainty relation? The options are delta x delta p greater than or equal to h divided by 4 pi, delta e delta t greater than or equal to h by 4 pi, delta j delta phi greater than or equal to h by 4 pi, delta v delta m greater than or equal to h divided by 2 pi. So among these, the question is not a uncertainty relation. So delta v delta m greater than or equal to h by 2 pi is not an uncertainty relation. Here delta v and delta m are not a canonical conjugate physical variable, and this is not a uncertainty relation. So references of this session: Kshamata Muktawat A.K. Upadhyaya, Applied Physics, I.K. International Publishing House Private Limited. Other textbook is R. Murugeshan, K. Siva Prashant, Modern Physics, S. Chandan Company Limited. Thank you very much.